Alright guys, this video is one of our normal cleaning. We did this property about 3 times, and the first time we showed up there was some weird stuff happening. We'll go ahead and get into the video here and you can just kind of get a summary. But I'll tell you right now, this place apparently was Jesse James' hangout. Well, at least this is what the house cleaner told me. So as we showed up to the job today, we were talking about, what happened first time we showed up. And so the house cleaner had all this information and kind of showed us around the place and showed us this little cool spot. And I don't know how true it is. Actually, I did find out how true it is. And at the end of the video, I'll kind of sum it up for you. What's up? So we're here. Second time here. The first time we showed up here was interesting. Is last time we cleaned it, we opened the front door and we heard a come in or a welcome. I don't remember exactly. It was one of those things, and we kind of closed the door around. Wait, there's not supposed to be nobody here because it's a vacation rental, and there was supposed to be nobody here. So we kind of hello, and nobody was here. So we always had that in the back of our mind. That was weird, right? So we show up for another cleaning here. It's probably the third time I've came here. It's really interesting because there's actually in the kitchen, a part in the floor that's supposed to go down into some underground tunnels in the house. So this is the house. And it goes through all under Paso Robles, which is the town I'm in. So yeah, very, very interesting because the lady told me that the house was supposed to be haunted when she told us about it, or when we told her about what happened. She's like, that's funny because she's heard walking upstairs, while cleaning, and her daughter while cleaning. So her daughter was spooked out one time, and apparently she just left. So yeah, so that just kind of confirms our little this place is haunted theory, So in a little while I'll go ahead and show you a little around the house. We're vacuuming right now. We're gonna do some area rugs. We're gonna be doing some upholstery and some carpet. Stay tuned. I didn't spray that over there. But all right, so this place is really cool, beautiful 2-story place, and I mean nice carpet. We're doing a neutral pre-spray on this one. This is carpet details, what I usually use. So we're doing a lot of wool too, okay, and we're doing upholstery. So the solution I use is kind of good on everything, pretty much, but stay away from viscose, guys. Anyway. So doing a pre-spray through this. Upstairs, stairs, as far as carpet cleaning. And then we're going to be going downstairs and do some upholstery cleaning. The house cleaners are still here, so we're kind of working behind them. So that spot right there is a bleach spot. Wasn't sure. I did check it out afterwards. So apparently this place is actually a rental, a vacation rental tour. You can get online and actually book a room there. Didn't really check the prices on it, but the address is, it is a vacation rental, guys, so public knowledge, right? Guys, if you ever want to rent a place that is haunted. So coming up here, guys, I did experience something weird when me and Brenda did. And what kind of helps seal that haunted theory that we're getting to this building
Okay, so I'm cleaning this room here, and I already cleaned this area so I don't walk across the carpet when I'm done. And Brenda had mentioned to me, hey, there's some footsteps. Did you walk back there? No. So I looked over and I went across some of them, but you can tell there are footsteps going over my nice clean carpet. Just like that. And I did not go back there, so interesting.
Those feet are too big to be Brenda's feet. Those ones look a little smaller, but those ones there are way too big to be Brenda's feet. House cleaners were gone by now.
All right, so we went ahead and finished up the upstairs. We're doing that couch, we're doing this rug, we're doing this ottoman. And we're gonna do that rug also around the bed. And we're gonna do this rug also. Okay, so everything's all pre-vacuumed. So the spot I was talking about where Jesse James, apparently this was his hangout. And this is a vacation rental, so I kind of feel pretty comfortable about filming this. This was a entrance to an underground tunnel all the way through. So apparently it's still there. I don't know, but I'm not gonna move the refrigerator and doing all that stuff to find out. But it's been a talks around Paso as long as I can remember that Jesse James used to hang out in this area. So yeah, isn't that interesting? Wow. So this place apparently is haunted. So I've been to a few locations to where the places were haunted.
That's the house before and how they renovated it now.
So that's it from a long time ago. Okay, and then we got a little bit newer to where we're at today. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful place. They're definitely keeping up with the historical part of this property. And like I said, that it's been talks around Paso for the longest time about, you know, Jesse James possibly having some gold hidden in this area. And, you know, people have been searching forever and nobody's found it. So anyway, I thought that was really interesting. We've actually, excuse me, we've actually cleaned a few places where I've had experiences like that. I did do a mansion, and I'll link that at the end of the video, to where I heard a voice was that, well, the camera caught a voice when I was cleaning. So I did this video a long time ago, but hey, you might want to check it out if you're into the paranormal stuff, which Brenda is hugely into the paranormal stuff. It's like ghost hunters 24/7 at my house. But yeah, interesting, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this job. We'll do a little bit more filming on this, so stay tuned. This room's done. Frays were really bad on this one, so we went over them really good. Brenda's mopping her way out. I don't want to walk over where she just mopped. So yeah, putting plastic tabs underneath the furniture to avoid, you know, some kind of color transfer onto the carpet, especially if you're dealing with wool, right? All right, so it smells like wet dog in here, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh wait, remember, if you ever come to Paso, want to do a vacation, this place haunted.
Alright guys, update. So after filming the video, all pumped up about it, you know, I did do some research when I got home. I actually did some research for a couple days. And unfortunately, the timeline just doesn't add up for a Jesse James hangout. Now, as far as the haunting, I definitely think it's haunted. I know it's haunted. Just from experiences from other people and our experience on this filming. Now, as I go through this filming, I'm gonna look for a little bit more, but I'm just gonna call it, hey, we got footsteps, we hear voices, the cleaners, hear people walking upstairs when there's supposed to be nobody there. The place is haunted, so at least it's a great place to go visit, you know. And if you like that kind of haunted stuff, you know, hey, Zach Biggins, you know, that's a ghost hunter, ghost adventure guy, by the way, guys. I know this because we run this up at night. All right, so thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like, and let me know if you like this type of stuff. Well, I don't have a ton of it, but like I said, I'm gonna link a video at the end of this, the Haunted Mansion, to where we actually did hear a voice, or the camera caught a voice while I was filming, and that was interesting. But beautiful place, beautiful cleaning anyway. All right.
Think I finally found a better way. 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 Think I finally found a better way.